Hello guys, welcome to the first episode of Fab Live. I'm Ron, I'm from Biscast Fab Lab, and for this episode I'll be showing you how I maintain our laser cutting and engraving machine.
So it's been a while since I was able to clean the machine. As you can see, there's a lot of things to clean up. But what I usually do for maintenance is just lubricate the rails to avoid necessary rust that would get in the way of the movement of the machine. But this time, we'll finally be able to clean the machine. So yeah, let's start. So let's start with the basics. So we'll first clean the rails, and then go in. We'll remove the rails, we'll remove the residues, and then clean up everything. Then I'll show you guys how I lubricate the rails after we clean up everything. This is just diluted cleaning solution. You can purchase it as a hardware. It's pretty easy to access. So we'll use that. We'll clean the machine, and then we'll lubricate the machine. So let's start. So for the lubrication, I just use WD-40. So we'll be applying WD-40 along the rails, and then we'll move this so that we'll be spreading the WD-40 along the rails. So we'll just do this. So you do have to be careful not to hit any major electronic components, but they're fairly easy to identify, so you don't really have to worry about it. So yeah, after spraying, you just have to do this. Then we'll just spread it along the rails. Then we'll apply some here. And same. Move it to spread. All done. So we are done with the cleanup. Now we'll turn on the machine to see how we did.
make sure to stay tuned for our next episode where I'll be teaching you how to use the laser cutting and engraving machine from design to operation fabrication.